performance, your toughness and grit need the right tools. Tools that work hard. That's why we here at SnowEx are unyielding in our pursuit of innovation, determined to put state-of-the-art technology into your hands so you can make quick work of ice and snow. Like the stainless steel Helix Hopper Spreader, constructed of corrosion-resistant stainless steel for a maintenance-free experience. Engineered for efficiency, the state-of-the-art Helix material delivery system is designed to prevent clogs and provide superior material flow. And no matter what you're dealing with, it can do it all, consistently, and as precise as you need it to be. Plus, add a simple plug-and-play liquid system upgrade kit, and you've got a triple threat: spread, pre-wet, and spray. So put control back in your hands with superior performance and efficiency. When the latest in snow and ice fighting technology combines with your know-how and perseverance, work gets done, no matter what winter throws at you.